Hey friends, welcome back. Have you ever been in the situation where you had to edit a file but only had the command line available? No text editor with a fancy schmancy UI? Did you feel like this, junior developer? It might happen from time to time that you are in such a situation. You could try to hand this over to another developer, but why not solve the issue on your own? So let's start with preventing you from looking like this junior developer when you are in such a situation. In this video, I would like to show you how to open a file in the text editor of my choice, VI. So I'm in my terminal now. To open VI, you can just type VI. This will lead to this screen. As you can see, VI is friendly. It even tells us how to get help by typing :help. What you also see are a lot of tildes. Each line containing a tilde means that it contains no content, no text and no blank lines, nothing. By opening VI like this, without a specified file, you can use VI to take some notes and save it later if you want to, but you don't have to. I'm exiting VI now by pressing :Q. Okay, so to open an existing file, you are typing VI followed by the file name. For example, my file. When I hit enter, you see the following with a typo, which we directly can fix. By pressing I, you are in insert mode. And when I'm pressing escape, I'm out of this. To save it, I can press :W, and now it's saved. Okay, what you also might have noticed is that at the bottom we have some content. The bottom line is called prompt line or status line. So the status line tells us the file name, which is my file, how many lines it contains, which is 1 line in this case, and the size of the file, which is 21 bytes. The written is there because I just changed the file and saved it. And now I will close the file by pressing :Q. Now we know how to open an existing file, but we might want to create a new file. In this case, it's the same as beforehand. We are just specifying the file name, VI, my new file. And now the status line says the file is called my new file and it is a new file. So now we could work with any file, we could add some content and save it later, or we can press :Q to exit VI and don't save the file at all. One last thing I want to tell you is that you don't have to specify the file in your current directory. So we could also open the new file in the desktop folder, for example, VI, desktop, my new file. And as you can see now, the status line displays that we are on desktop, my new file, because that's not our current directory, and that it's a new file as well. Let's recap what we learned in this video. So first we learned how to open VI in general by using the VI command. Secondly, we learned how to open an existing and a new file by using the VI command followed by the file name or file path. We learned that tildes mean that there is no content. Next, we learned that the line at the bottom is called prompt line or status line, as well as what the content in the status line means. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!